హీరోయిన్ కెరియర్ కమర్షియల్ ట్రాక్ ఎక్కడానికి ఒక సాంగ్ చాలు, లేదంటే ఒక కాంబినేషన్ చాలు. బాలయ్య సాంగ్తో కమర్షియల్ ట్రాక్ మీదకి ఫుల్ ఫామ్లో వచ్చేసిన ప్రజ్ఞ ఇప్పుడు మనతో ఉన్నారు. బాలయ్య సాంగ్ విశేషాలతో పాటు మోస్ట్ అవైటెడ్ మూవీగా మారిన అఖండ మూవీ గురించి కూడా చాలా ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ టాపిక్స్ ఇప్పుడు మనతో షేర్ చేసుకోబోతున్నారు. హాయ్ ప్రజ్ఞ.
హాయ్.
హాయ్. సో వన్ సాంగ్ చేంజ్ యువర్ ఎంటైర్ image.
Really?
Balaya.
You think so?
Yeah, you completely turned as a commercial heroine.
Yes.
That swing movement also very interesting in song. All are waiting to watch that song on big screen.
Yes.
What is your experience?
I had a lot of fun shooting for Jai Balaya song. I actually personally love dancing. So for me, the most, my favorite part of shooting for Akhanda was shooting for the song because it was a lot of fun. Working with Balakrishna sir in this song, who's so energetic and he's so full of life, and he also enjoyed the song shoot so much. So we had a blast shooting for the song, and I'm so happy that the viewers, our audience is liking the song. So feels like our hard work has paid off.
ఎలా ఉందంటే ఒక ఫెస్టివల్లో ఉంది ఆ సాంగ్ చూస్తుంటే.
Yes.
More colors, massy numbers,
Yes.
and dance movements.
Yes.
It's looks like a celebration.
Yes, it is. It is a celebration song. So once it comes in the film, you will know why the song is there. But once you see the story, it will all make sense, and the song will look perfect.
So Balaya, Jai Balaya is the slogan for all his fans, and they are shouting in everywhere, and it's create energy to Balakrishna fans.
Yes.
What do you feel?
I just feel that I'm so lucky that firstly I'm a part of this film Akhanda. The combination of Boyapati sir and Balakrishna sir is a terrific combo. So when
Blockbuster combo.
Blockbuster combo, definitely. So when they're working together for the third time, even before the film is released, people have such high expectations and they know this is going to work. So that confidence is really nice. And then Jai Balaya song on top of that. Now I think only Boyapati sir can take that leap, like only he can have the confidence, and only he can pull off actually a song like Jai Balaya, because you know it's something that his fans are so like I feel his fans are crazy about him, right? And they have this mad about him. So they have this slogan Jai Balaya for him.
Crazy is the small word.
Is a small word. So the person who can do justice to it and who can execute it responsibly, I feel is only Boyapati sir. And to have that Jai Balaya in a song, and the song to be so peppy and fun, I think this is just amazing for the film. It's a great bonus. I always knew there's going to be a mass number, a mass song, but the title will be Jai Balaya was something I got to know only while shooting for the song, just when the song shoot was to start.
It looks like a special gift for Balakrishna fans.
I think so. Yes, yes, yes.
This song will remain decades.
Yes.
Because of that title,
Yes.
Jai Balaya.
Yes, for sure.
For sure.
When we were shooting for the song, this was the first question in my mind. I'm like, how did any other director not think of using this before? How come? Because it's so famous, like everybody knows Jai Balaya. But it's the first time that it's being used in a song in a Balakrishna sir's film, and I think it's amazing.
అంటే జనరల్గా ఏంటంటే క్యారెక్టర్కి ఒక ఇమేజ్ ఉంటుంది, హీరోకి ఒక ఇమేజ్ ఉంటుంది. హీరో ఇమేజ్ని దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని డిజైన్ చేసిన సాంగ్ ఇది. దట్స్ వై జై బాలయ్య అనేది బోయపాటి మైండ్లోకి మాత్రమే రాగలిగింది.
కరెక్ట్.
ఎన్ని రోజులు షూట్ చేశారు? హౌ మెనీ డేస్?
We shot for this song for 5-6 days. But also it was a really big set, lots of dancers, colorful set, and the music is done by Thamman. He's done a great job. I think all the songs are terrific. The BGM is outstanding. So you've seen in the trailer and the other songs. So I think he's done great work. And Banu sir did choreography for our song. So I think he's also done wonderful composition, something that is suiting Balakrishna sir and also suiting me. So that's a great balance. I'm very glad that everything has come together so beautifully and it's looking very, very nice.
What is your experience to be part of this song, and how do you feel while shooting?
Firstly, I told you that I was very excited about the dance song because I love dancing. So my experience initially, I was like, when I saw the steps, I thought they were difficult. But slowly, when we started rehearsing, I started enjoying the experience. Like, I had a blast shooting for the song. Like I told you before, the song shoot, those 5-6 days were my favorite shooting days of all of my shoot days in Akhanda.
ఎనీ డిఫికల్టీ ఏమైనా అనిపించిందా డాన్స్ చేయటం మాస్ నెంబర్స్కి డాన్స్ చేయటం?
No, I'm a dance lover, so I was just having
you got the
fun.
chance.
Yes, I just got a chance to dance, so I was very
Explore
happy.
your dancing abilities.
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes. You looks also very beautiful on screen while teaser released and dance Balaya song teaser released. Now it is in trending.
Yes, it's today is also number 2, I think.
Yes, yes.
Trending on number 2.
నెంబర్ 2 అంటే ఇంత ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా మూవీ మీద. సో ఎనీ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ ద కంట్రీ కూడా ఓవర్సీస్లో కూడా 500 థియేటర్స్లో రిలీజ్ అవుతుంది.
Yeah.
అంటే ఒక బిగ్గెస్ట్ రిలీజ్ మనకి సెకండ్ లాక్డౌన్ తర్వాత.
Yes.
అందులో మీరు యు ఆర్ ద పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్రాజెక్ట్.
Yes.
ఎలా అనిపిస్తుంది, కెరియర్కి ఎంత బూస్టింగ్ అనిపిస్తుంది ఈ
Yes,
మూమెంట్?
I just feel so blessed. Actually, I feel even more blessed because during the pandemic, we were sitting at home for 6 to 8 months and we were doing all sorts of things that we would never do in normal life. That time I was only praying that I want to get back to shooting. I want to get back to the movies. I want to get back to work. But I'm going to get back like this, I didn't know. With like the biggest film it is the biggest film of my career so far. As the leading
బిగ్గెస్ట్
lady.
రిలీజ్.
Yes, biggest film, biggest release, biggest combination that can be there. Star director, star hero. These were all the things I used to dream of. So finally, when things opened up, people started shooting. I got like the biggest break of my life. So I feel very, very blessed to be a part of the film. And now that there is a release in the theatres, that's amazing because this is a theatre film. This couldn't have gone on any other platform. There was no way they would have released it in any other way. It had to be a theatre release, and today it's not just a good proper theatrical release in India, it's also overseas. So many theatre lists I keep getting every day. Australia, America, this, that, and I mean it's just very exciting to see that since 1 week before in so many overseas theatres all the seats are blocked. It's full. It's all booked. So it's very heartening to see the response, and I'm just very grateful that I'm a part of this film.
మీ క్యారెక్టర్ గురించి చెప్పండి, ఎలా ఉండబోతుంది?
My character in the film is that of an IAS officer. My name is Saranya in the film, and it's a role that is very different from anything that I have played before. So Boyapati sir personally really made sure that he designed a look for me because it's a role that I have not done anything like this before, so I have to look completely different from anything that I've done before. He's like, I'm going to give you a complete makeover. So he took a lot of care in small details. He used to make sure Pragya has to look like this, she has to walk like this, she has to talk like this, mannerisms, body language. So much care was taken for me to look convincing in that part. So it's like a lot of teamwork, hard work and preparation that has gone in making me look like the character that he visualized, and I'm so grateful to him that he guided me correctly and he was with me throughout the journey and he believed in me, and just a wonderful experience of transforming into that role, and every single day I got to learn so much. So great experience playing this kind of a character in the film.
జనరల్గా బోయపాటి ఫిల్మ్స్లో డైలాగ్స్ చాలా ఫేమస్ ఉంటాయి. ఈ ఎవ్రీ క్యారెక్టర్ డైలాగ్స్ కూడా చాలా ఫేమస్ ఉంటాయి. డూ యూ గెట్ ఎనీ దట్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ డైలాగ్స్?
Oh yes, there will be. Once the film comes out on 2nd of December, you'll find something.
డూ యూ ఎంజాయ్ ద డైలాగ్ పార్ట్?
Yes. See, his films are always high on emotion, high on drama, high on action.
Everything is on a high.
Everything will have a punchline. So those things are there. You know, once the film comes out, we'll talk more and
Okay.
we'll talk about those dialogues.
డైలాగ్స్ ఆల్సో. అంటే మీకు మార్షల్ ఆర్ట్స్ తెలుసు కదా, యూ ట్రైన్డ్ ఇన్ మార్షల్ ఆర్ట్స్. అవి ఏమన్నా ఉపయోగపడినాయా? ఏమన్నా ఫైట్ సీక్వెన్సెస్ ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయా?
Nobody has ever asked me these questions. I mean, I don't know martial arts. As a kid in school, I learned karate. So that's it.
అంటే మాకు నక్షత్రం మూవీస్లో చూసాం
Yes,
కదా,
Nakshatram
యు
I
ఆర్
did.
వెరీ ఫ్లెక్సిబుల్ ఇన్ అండ్ స్టంట్ సీక్వెన్సెస్.
Yes, I mean, I am trained in martial arts and I was almost black belt. I'm brown for. I'm a person who's physically active. I love going to the gym. I love dancing. I love Pilates. I enjoy yoga. I do kickboxing. And as a kid, I did karate. So it's just a part of me. It's just physically being active is something that I really enjoy. I think it's a stress buster and it keeps me energetic and going. So any kind of physical activity is something I really enjoy to do.
ఓకే. ఈ శరణ్య క్యారెక్టర్స్ విషయానికి వస్తే మీకు ఏదైనా ఛాలెంజింగ్ అనిపించిందా? దిస్ డైలాగ్ పార్ట్స్ కానీ బాలకృష్ణ గారితో ఆపోజిట్ స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేసుకోవడం కానీ, సో ఏదైనా ఛాలెంజింగ్ అనిపించిందా?
See, in any film, in any character, there are some challenging days. Definitely, my first few days were the most challenging because the first scene that I had to shoot for the film was with Balakrishna sir. And I met him on set the first day. And 2-3 days, it was just the scene between the two of us. So that time, obviously, there was a gap of the pandemic. We have not acted in front of the camera for so long. So just to get back on set and, you know, say these dialogues, that too in front of Balakrishna so on the very first day, was definitely a little bit challenging. But then Boyapati sir was with me through that. He's like, Pragya, no matter who is in front of you, you just believe that this is who you are Saranya. You have to be in your character the whole time. It won't matter who's in front of you. It could be Balakrishna sir, it could be Prabhakar. Means they are all big guys. It can sometimes be intimidating. There was one time I went to him like, sir, how will I do anything? Means there's one actor in the film, his voice is very strong, like, oh, like, I got a little bit scared. I'm like, so I will forget my dialogues. He's like, no, you just focus, like, you know, focus. This is who you are. You be in your character. It does not matter who's in front of you. So he was so confident of me that it gave me the confidence and it didn't matter who's in front of me. And somehow, you know, there are so many people who ask me that, you know, to choose a girl in front of Balakrishna sir means they can't just choose anyone. It has to be somebody who can look correct, who can look like, okay, this person can.
కంపాటబిలిటీ.
Yeah, that compatibility, like somebody with that, I don't know, the screen presence or something like. So I was like, I didn't know if I could do it, but Boyapati sir was so confident. He's like, this is it, you're going to do it. And because he was so confident,
Now you looks like a proper commercial heroine. Okay. Wish you all the success, Pragya.
thank you so
We
much.
will talk more after release about your character and
Yes.
Akhanda.
Yes,
Yes. Thank you very much.
thank you so much.